Hello, beautiful you family, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shirley, and it is so nice to meet you. So let's get right into it. For today's makeup, we are going to be doing a step-by-step full glam makeup. Where my beginners at? This is for my beginners. In this tutorial, I will be taking my time to do this full makeup. So let's start off by working on our eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, I use a dark brown pencil. As you can see, I already I drew like my eye shape that I'm going for. And for you to have the perfect eyebrows, let's put it that way, you definitely need a concealer. You can use a concealer like a lighter shade than your complexion. So that's what I did, and we are done with our eyebrows. We are moving on to apply our eyeshadow. You first want to apply an eyeshadow base, and when you are done, use some of your concealer. So I am using my BH Cosmetics palette. Girl, let me tell you, I have had this palette for, I will say, about more than 5 years, and it still works. I mean, I love it. It was very affordable. So once you grab your eyeshadow palette, I am going with a pink color. So go ahead and get some of your pink eyeshadow and dab it on. You just want to dab it on. And after I was done, I use a little bit of my concealer in the inner corner of my eye, and that's what I'm doing. Like I told you guys in my previous video, I am not like a big fan of cutting like a fancy crease, so I always do my best. And again, I am applying a gold color in the inner corner of my eye. Just gently dab it there, especially if you are like a dark skin sister like myself. Yeah, that gold has to pop, so just take your time and dab it. Just keep putting it the gold eyeshadow on. Don't be scared. You got it. Just go ahead and do it. I hope your day is going so far. To all my beginners, don't give up. When I started, I was not perfect. I mean, I'm still learning every day. Just keep trying. Just keep trying. To get like a good eyeshadow, you need to learn how to blend. As you can see, I am blending that gold color and that pink color in because it's two different colors and we don't want them to be like separated. So just blend it in, and I use a little bit of my black eyeshadow at the outer part of my eye. And oh, let me tell you, girl, when you are using that what you may call it, when you are using that pencil liner, it is not easy. So we are getting right into doing our foundation. I love this foundation, and it is very affordable. You can get it at Walmart, you can get it at Walgreens, like any drugstore, you can get it, and it works. So the technique when you are applying your foundation, always make sure that you spray your makeup brush that you use. Spray it, because when you spray it, it becomes so easy for you to apply it. Now we are applying our concealer. For a concealer, you need a brighter color for the concealer. So what you will do is you will put some under your eye, in the middle part, on your nose, and also on top of your forehead. And just take your apply some on your chin, and just take your time. Once you apply your concealer, just take your time. And as you can see, just do exactly what I am doing. And if you really follow through what I'm doing, I'm telling you, you can also do it. You got it. So just go ahead. That is what I did. Now to set off our concealer, we need like a setting powder. And I ordered this setting powder from Juvia's Place and it works. So far so good. You don't need to apply a lot of the powder. Just a little bit goes a long way. I am now contouring my nose. We want to get that pointy nose. And also on your cheek, your cheekbone, you can also contour as well. Just use your brush. If you have a long face, then you don't need to contour all the way down, coming down your lips. You can contour maybe to the middle part. And once you are done with that, I got my brush and the powder, the setting powder that we use for our concealer. We want to push that powder in. So go ahead and clean it up. Just take your time. And let me tell you, this blush is one of the best blush that I love. And guess where I got it from? I got this blush from the Dollar Tree and it works. Let me tell you, sometimes the Dollar Tree, they be having some nice makeups product there. So that's what I did. Now I'm going ahead to blend everything in. And I have this loose powder from Fit Me. I believe it's from Maybelline. And all the products that I'm using, they are not expensive products at all. You know, once you get money, you can buy like, let's say a face primer. You can buy your face primer and the next time you get a good like eyeliner. So highlighter. I love this highlighter. I believe I got this highlighter from my local beauty supply store. And sis, it works for my complexion and I love it. So this is our final look. I usually use my finger, as you can see, to just put a little bit in the middle of my nose so that I want that nose to pop. I want, as soon as I walk in, I want my face to do the talking. All right, so this is our final look. It was so good to hang out with you today. Make sure you spray that face, okay? Spray that face to keep it going. And on my lips, I used again my dark brown eye pencil and I used it, and I am using like a lip gloss. And voila, you don't need anything so expensive to achieve like a fun. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and see you in